This lighting sucks. How am I gonna make this lighting good? Is that like weird? It's like a spotlight. I'm like, how do I want to do this video? I think that's okay. Oh, I look like one of those cute girls. Testing, one, do, testing, how do you? Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Kera Jaay and I'm back with another video for you today. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a rundown on what you need if you want to make press-on nails. Now, by no means am I an expert. I've only been making press-on nails for about a year now, and I've only really started heavily making them in the last week. The only reason that I've ever worn press-on nails was when I was in nail school, actually, I wasn't able to wear acrylics, and when I was working, I wanted to still have nails. So I bought supplies for me to make my own press-on nails so I could still have nails and be cute at work, but I wasn't able to wear acrylics, so perfect. Like, what more do you need? So anyways, in today's video, I'm just going to show you the basics of what you need if you want to make press-on nails for yourself or to sell. I'll give you kind of a baby packaging setup type of organization kind of thing. I don't have mine down packed. I literally just started press-ons, making them like consistently this week, like I just said. So I don't even have boxes for my press-ons yet. I have yet to have like a real packaging and logo situation set up. I still need to make a logo for my brand, which is at Enigma Beauty. You can go ahead and follow that on Instagram, and you can go ahead and follow my personal Instagram also, which is at Kera Jaay, same as my channel. So shameless plug. But let's get right into this video. So first thing you need to do when you want to make press-on nails, you need to figure out what kind of press-on nails do you want to make. Sounds pretty obvious, but you actually kind of want to think about it. What kind of styles do you want to make? What kind of designs do you want to make? What brand do you want your press-on nails to have? I myself, I like to do really extra nails, really like a lot of encapsulated, a lot of foot. I'm talking about when I do like nails, like acrylics and stuff. I like my nails to be extravagant. Like the nails that I do, you're not going to walk into a salon and just get them. And if you do, it's not going to be well executed, and you're going to end up paying like an arm and a leg, because you know how they be charging over there anyway. Not saying my prices are not like on par or higher, but you get what you pay for, so that's a sidebar. But you need to think of what kind of press-ons you want to make, what kind of market do you want to have, what kind of styles do you want to have, and then go from there. So once you have that established, you definitely need to get the nails themselves. So I'm not going to really focus. Did I say I'm not? I don't know if I said I'm not going to really, or if I said I'm going to really. My brain and mouth do not work on the same timing. So if you're new here, thank you for watching, and nice to see you. And I hope that that doesn't throw you off too much, because I get annoyed by it too, trust me. So you need to have the press-on nails, obviously. So I got my press-on nails from Amazon. The first pack of press-on nails that I got on Amazon came in a bag like this, as well as the second, actually. The second pack that I got is like this. So these are just two different brands and two different shapes of press-on nails. So this is a shorter coffin. You can see, I'll take one out of the bag so you can actually see. So this is a size 4. I thought it was size 6. This is size 4, and then I'll pull out a size 4. Pardon me. Cold and flu season, you know, coronavirus is real. I don't have corona, but so this is a size 4. Sorry if it's hard to see because they're clear. I don't know, like I don't really have a good way of trying to like, I don't know, show you the size of it, but you can kind of see. Okay, I guess you can see. Sorry, I'm trying to work with my setup, like this is the best I can do right now. So that's a size 4 in that size, and let me see a size 4 in this other pack to show you the difference in length and just different styles and looks of press-ons that you can get, that you can offer differently to your customers. I also want to get stiletto press-ons. I was going to order them, but the pack that I was going to order was more than I wanted to pay for it, to be honest. And I figured if I really had a custom request for stiletto, I could just shape these coffin nails into stiletto and it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So for comparison, these are both size 4s. Can you even see anything? Put it like against my forehead. You can't really see. I'll put a picture of them beside each other, but these are both size 4s. One's, well, the left, well, yeah, I don't know if the camera flips or not, but the one on my left is definitely shorter than the other one, and it's much more tapered, and I just really like this shape a lot better. Like if I was to wear press-ons on myself, I would use this shape opposed to this shape. But anyways, that really has nothing to do with the whole process or anything. That's just me showing. But anyways, so you need the press-on nails. That's the first thing you need. Secondly, if you're going to do the press-on kits and stuff like that and actually sell them, because you can obviously just sell the press-on nails themselves and not sell it with any adhesion, which, you know, do you? But like, if you're gonna sell them, you may as well give your customer the adhesion or a glue or something with it, so that they're not kind of like, okay, now I have to go buy something else. Then it's just kind of like, you know, annoying. So that's where these come in. And these are sticky tabs. I got these also from Amazon, and when I was wearing my press-ons, I used the sticky tabs and they worked pretty well. I mean, they hold. They're not gonna hold for like a week. Like, obviously not. The sticky tabs by themselves will not hold that well, but if you want to wear them like just for a night out, or like pop them on, pop them off for a couple days, then they'll definitely hold up. I put these sticky tabs with nail glue on my nails because I thought, oh, if I put nail glue on the sticky tabs, then it'll like be so good and it will stick really well. It did. And they would not come off my nails. So I wouldn't recommend that if you want your press-ons to come off. But if you want your press-ons to last on for sure, just adhere them with nail glue, pardon me, and prep your nails. I'll do a nail prepping video in another video. Don't let me get off track. Carrying on, so you need adhesion. So you either have the sticky tabs that you'd insert with your packaging, or you would have a nail glue that you would insert in your packaging, whichever you decide, or both, whichever. Also, you can have the little packs of like a manicure kit that comes with the wood stick, the file, and the buffer. I have a box over there, but I don't want to open it because I haven't opened the box yet, but you guys know what I'm talking about. The little 3-piece sets, those are also on Amazon. Pretty much all my nail supplies that I got were on Amazon because when I did start doing nails, I was unlicensed. So Amazon was the only place where I could get these things. But yes, so carrying on. Besides that, glue, press-ons, you need to have gel polish. You can do it with regular polish, but regular polish is not really going to give you any strength, and press-on nails are usually plastic ABS, or you can make soft gel cover nails, but I don't really know if anyone like pre-designed soft gel cover press-ons, because I feel like it would kind of be difficult to cure them onto once you've decorated them and stuff, to cure them onto your nails. So I don't know about that, but anyways, gel polish. So here's just an example. You'll need a base coat gel to strengthen the nail, putting under your nail polish or your nail art, whatever you're gonna do. You can put your encapsulated things. You can encapsulate on press-ons. It just has to be really thin and like covered in base coat or top coat or poly gel if you want, or a builder gel, really any gel if you want. Just however thick you want them is up to you, and if they're thinner they look more natural, especially as press-ons, so you can take that how you want. Just an example of a matte top coat and a shiny top coat. For your nail polishes, gel polishes, you're going to want to have a nice variety of colors that you can mix together, as well as do different designs with them. This is my gel polish wheel because I don't really use gel polish. but I still have a pretty decent amount, I would say. You know, you want to have different varieties of gel polishes. Like I have some cat eye polishes here, some glitter, jelly, you know, spider gels and stuff. So you want to have gel polishes, obviously, because you need to design your nails. And going in with gel polishes, gel paints, you'd want those if you're going to do nail drawn art, obviously. I guess really all design things are preference, really. So gel polish, that's a basic, but like if you want to have rhinestones or flowers or like nail foils, like I like to do press-ons with nail foils. So these are just a couple of examples of nail foils that I have that I want to make press-ons with, or I have made press-ons with. I made a pack of press-ons with these floral foils already. But yeah, so little art design stuff, kind of just deal with what you have, or you can buy nail design art stuff. A lot of my nail art I got on Amazon. My foils and stuff is more like indie brand type of things, but you can find all that stuff all over the internet. You don't need my help with that. That's what Instagram's for, girl. So next, I was gonna say nextly. Next, you'll need a base for you to make your press-ons. So bases come differently. There are different types of bases that you can get, and when I first started making press-ons the first round, I'll show you the base that I used. And since I wanted to start doing press-ons more seriously and selling them and stuff, I picked up a different base that is more efficient to use. So I'm just gonna get them like set up before I show you them. But one of the bases that I used when I first started doing press-ons looked like this. So it came in a little case. I got this on Amazon. And it comes with a little jewel that has a magnet on top, and these little finger rests have a magnet as well. So this was a pack of 5, so this has 5 fingers. This is good. I like it. You're able to have a good grip on the stand when you're painting and stuff, so everything's really like sturdy when you hold it like that. It's not ideal when you want to make press-ons because you have to do everything kind of individually, and it's not sturdy, and you have to do each finger at a time, and kind of just takes up more time in that sense. So the other stands that I got look like this. And this pack that I got, it came with 2 of them, so 10 fingers, already more convenient than just 5. And it holds the stand in the same way that the little jewel does on the other stand, but they all just stand like that, standing in a row, so you can have it nicely organized for when you actually present your press-ons and are working on them. Like, it's a lot easier to work on this than to work on this, trust me. So if you see the 2, get this kind, don't get this kind. This kind's cute for pictures, for like individual like design pictures. Definitely, I would definitely like that for that. But if you want to like actually make press-ons like at a rate, then I would definitely use that. I'm not gonna bother open the other one because it's the exact same. But besides that, moving more on to packaging, I need to get jewelry boxes for my press-ons because that's how I want to present them. That's the easiest way to present them, and probably the most cost-effective way to present them, because I can just get my logo and just put my logo on the box, and that's that. Well, for now, until I actually get a lot bigger and more successful. But yeah, so how I like to keep my press-ons together, I'll show you how I do actually. I have a few sets that I've done in here. I finished this set yesterday. If my camera will focus. It's really shiny, so it's kind of not really wanting to focus. But this is a mismatched jewel press-on set that I made yesterday. My camera really doesn't want to focus, but you get the idea. So you see how I keep it packaged, right? So my nails here are, let me show you another so you can kind of see better what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'll show you on this one. I made these yesterday too. So these are Kera Jaay. But, so the nails are standing on 2 pieces of acrylic post that look like this. I ordered these on Amazon. When I ordered these, I thought these were bigger, but I'm happy that they're not. So I had them on 2 clear acrylic, I don't know what this word is, posts, slats, slat, like, I don't know what these are called, but 2 acrylic rectangles that I attached with double-sided clear tape. So I attached them together, and then I put a piece on the top, and then I press my press nails onto the tip. Pressa. I'm really like in a musical mood, please. I'm from Ottawa, which is close to Toronto, so let me live. But anyways, carrying on. I attach my press-ons like that. Okay, so I'm just like rambling right now. You see my other video that I had put up before this, where I reviewed the eyeshadow that I'm working. You'll maybe understand why I'm so scatterbrained, but I'm always scatterbrained, so that's not an excuse. But anyways, yeah, so that is what I would say you need if you're going to make press-on nails. If you want to sell press-on nails. I wish I had the jewelry boxes to show you, but I don't, because like I said, I didn't order them for myself yet. I haven't looked for any yet, which I should, because I do have press-ons that I need to get out into the world to their new homes. So I need to stop sleeping on that. But that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning back to my channel. I've been gone for a while, and the fact that like people have stuck with me and people have came back to me and new people have been finding me and stuff is really cool, and I really appreciate it. So I thank you guys so much for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Please feel free to like, comment, share, all that good shit, and I will see you in my next video.